everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get your first order on Fiverr. Now, to get your first order on Fiverr, what you need to do is optimize your gig. Use strong title, keywords, portfolio, and clear pricing. Next, start small. Offer quick, affordable services for $5 to $20 to build reviews. Then thirdly, promote daily. Share on social media, forums, and reply to buyer requests. Fourthly, be fast and professional. Quick replies, very necessary. Over-deliver and ask for reviews politely. Now here are mistakes to avoid. Ignoring SEO. When there's no keywords, there's no visibility. 2. High prices early. It's hard to sell at high prices without reviews. 3. Slow responses. Fiverr ranks active sellers higher. And lastly, generic offers. No. Stand out with a niche, for example, TikTok edits for gamers. Then here's a pro tip. Offer a limited time discount for your first buyers to boost orders. First order takes time. Stay consistent. Hope you found this video helpful.